Hi guys, welcome to the review of Realme 10 Pro Plus, so let's get started. Of the new Realme 10 series, this is the new flagship from Realme, the Realme 10 Pro Plus. It's features packed but still affordable, so could it be a choice for your next mid-range phone? Let's find out in our full review. This year we've seen a lot of sequel phones, but the Realme 10 Pro Plus actually brings a plenty of upgrades, like better display, a more powerful chipset and a high-resolution main camera. So, let's start with the design. The design has also been reworked, both the front and the back curved into the plastic frame, so the phone feel thin in the hand and the kaleidoscope-like glittering completion on this plastic back panel. This back panel is very attractive. There is no official ingress protection here, though like I mentioned before, the Realme 10 Pro Plus has a curved display. The screen is larger than the previous model. It's a 6.7-inch AMOLED with a 1080p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The high refresh rate smooths your swiping and scrolling, and when you're not using the screen it will dial down to 60 Hz to save energy. Now on to the brightness. In Realme 10 Pro Plus, we estimated a limit of 480 nits with the manual slider, and this can boost up to 800 nits in auto mode when in bright sun. Another new feature you get here is support for 10-bit colors. The color accuracy of the screen is perfect along with the contrast, and there's also a HDR10 Plus support. For open and unlock the phone, the fingerprint reader is placed under the display. It's quick and reliable. For sound, the Realme 10 Pro Plus has a couple of stereo speakers. The loudness is excellent here and the sound quality is great in our loudness test. There's no much bass, but the vocals and highs are decent. The Realme 10 Pro Plus comes with 128 or 256 GB of storage on board, and this is not expandable through microSD. The interface of the phone is Realme UI 4.0 and it's on top of the latest Android 13. This is a smooth, clutter-free UI that is really straightforward, but if you dig further, there's plenty of custom functionality as well. The Realme 10 Pro Plus is powered by a new chipset, a MobiTech Dimensity 1080. It's an improvement over the past model's Dimensity 920 with better performance and efficiency and an upgraded ISP for the cameras. The increase in performance is based upon higher clock speeds at a same CPU core. Still, it's good to see some smartphone setups. There's no thermal throttling here. The Realme 10 Pro Plus has a large 5000 mAh battery. It scores an incredible endurance rating of 149 hours in our battery duration test, and on top of that the charging speed is faster too. There's a 67-watt adapter which comes in the box. With it we were able to charge the phone from 0 to 86% in 30 minutes. Now on to the cameras. The Realme 10 Pro Plus brings a 108-megapixel main camera and 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel micro camera. The main camera has a higher resolution than the past model, and also able to provide 3 times lossless zoom. The main camera shot 12-megapixel photos. Of course, these are very great. There's a lots of detail, accurate colors, good contrast and balanced dynamic range. There's a 3-time zoom switch, and that is possible because of the main camera's large sensor. We wouldn't call it 100 lossless, but it's very decent. There's enough detail and low noise, but the colors, contrast and dynamic range match the regular photos. Portraits from the main camera are extraordinary. The separation is great and the subject is well exposed, detailed and sharp. The 8-megapixel photos from the ultra-wide are great. There's a great level of detail, accurate colors, great contrast and wide dynamic range. The 2-megapixel photos from the micro camera are not really great. The detail level you not expect at this resolution and the dynamic range is limited. Selfies from the 16-megapixel front camera are okay. The detail is normal and the photos are on the south side. Still, you do get great exposure, dynamic range and the colors are natural. Videos can be captured with the main camera in up to 4K at 30 FPS. The quality is great with lots of detail and sharpness. There's also a low noise, great contrast and wide dynamic range. There is no stabilization in 4K. However, footage from the ultra-wide at 1080p resolution are great with enough detail, low noise, exact colors and balanced dynamic range. So, that is the Realme 10 Pro Plus. It's a nice affordable phone for and offers a lot of improvements over the past model, like excellent display, great battery life, fast charging and great cameras. The major downsides here is missing of ingress protection here and lackluster selfies, but if these don't irritate you, then the Realme 10 Pro Plus is worth recommendation. So, thanks to all of you for watching guys, and see you on the next video.